Pokeweeds are tough, toxic shrubs known to appear in nurseries, gardens, and pastures. These plants may grow berries resembling grapes, but these weeds are toxic and pose hazards to livestock, other animals, and people. In this video, we'll show you how to identify pokeweeds, how to control them on your property, and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing time and money. Alternate names for pokeweed include pokeberry, pinkberry, pigeonberry, and American nightshade. Common pokeweed is a shrub that can grow up to 9 feet tall. The leaves are hairless, smooth, and fleshy, and the largest leaves can grow up to 20 inches long and 7 inches wide. The largest leaves grow towards the bottom of the plant and grow smaller towards the top. They grow in an alternating arrangement and are lance-shaped. The petioles are often reddish in color. Pokeweed grows multiple stems from a singular taproot. The stems are reddish in color, can grow up to 4 inches in diameter, and branch out towards the top. When pokeweed blooms, they grow white flowers and narrow, raceme-like flower heads. These structures grow vertically, then droop as berries are formed. Berries start green, then become a dark purple. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Pokeweed grows easily in moist, well-drained soil that sees full to partial sunlight. Common sites include pastures, parks, ornamental landscaping, forest openings, and other areas with disturbed soil. Pokeweed emerges from the soil from mid-spring to early summer. Flowering can occur from mid-summer to fall. Ideally, you'll look for young plants before they produce flowers to control them before they can reproduce. Be cautious when inspecting, as all parts of pokeweed are toxic. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of pokeweeds already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to remove them before they can reproduce. In areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To enhance this product, mix in a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-D Amine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. With your solution, spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-D Amine range from 21 to 30 days. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before the plant is ready to reproduce. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent new weeds from germinating, promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-510 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. After applying fertilizer, continue with integrated vegetation management to maintain your property's health. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of pokeweeds on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.